Hi and welcome to this course. In this video, I will show you how you can add a page. Again, there are multiple ways to add a page. You can hover over new and then you can click on page. You can hover over this pages option and then you can click on add new. Or you can just click on this page and then you will arrive at the all pages page. And then you can click on add new. And here I will add a new page and you will see that the interface is same. So I will write about us here, not about but about, and here you can add a blog. So I'll go to Lodum Ipsum. Here we go, click on this link and I just want one paragraph, and then click on generate Lodum Ipsum, and here just copy this text like this. I will right click and copy, and then I will go to this page. I will click on add a new block, and then I will click on paragraph, and then I will paste all that text, and then I will hit enter. And here I will show you how you can create a gallery. So just click on this add block area and then you can search for gallery like this. But we don't need to search for gallery because gallery is already here. So let's just remove this. So here you go, gallery is already here. So just click on that and you can upload all the new picture, but I'm going to choose all the pictures which I have already uploaded. Remember, I uploaded 2 in the media lesson and we have 3 images from before. So just select all of them like this and then click on create a new gallery. So click on that button and then click on insert gallery. You can write a caption here in all of these images. I'm not going to do that. Just click on insert gallery, and here you have a wonderful, beautiful gallery. I also want to add some more text, so I'll click on this button here and then I will click on paragraph. Okay, and then I will go here and I will copy this text again. I know I'm copying the same text, but it doesn't matter. You can write your own text if you want. Alright, this page looks okay. And now let's just go to this page option. Here you have the same exact option. You have status and visibility. Again, the public will be visible to everyone. The private will be visible to only site admin and editor, and we will talk about site admin and editor in the user section. You have the password protected option where you will have to enter a password and only people with that password will be able to access this page. I don't want this. Okay, so I'll just click on that, and here you can schedule your post, and I don't want to do that. Scroll down, we will talk about this pending review option in the user section. We don't have to worry about this for now. And click on this permalink, and here you can see the URL slug. So the link, the last part of the URL of this page. So when we publish this page after your website, so after Tech Savvy, it will be about us. So this will be the link of your page, of this page, right? So if your website name is techsavvy.com, then techsavvy.com/about us will be the link of this page. Okay, and this about us is the last part of the URL. So after the website name and then .com and then slash, after that part, the last part, this is the last part. The URL slug is the last part. We'll see when we talk about permalinks. You can also add a feature image. If you want to do that, please go ahead and do that. Now click on discussion, and here you can see that by default the allow comment are unticked. But why are they unticked? Well, they are unticked because we don't normally post comment on pages. Why? I'll tell you why in a minute. So click on page attribute. You can select a parent page. We are going to talk about it later in this course, so just ignore that for now, and then click on the publish button. We will publish this page now, and then click on publish again, and now click on view page. And here you can see this was your slug and the last part of the URL. Okay, just scroll down and this page is looking okay. So now let's talk about the comment part and why we don't have comment on page. Well, normally it's not a good idea to have a comment area in your about us page or in your contact us page, because these are static content. Okay, now let's talk about the difference between a page and a post. What are pages and what are posts? Well, pages are static content. We use the pages option in WordPress to create static content. They are timeless content. Your about us page is not dependent on time. Okay, it is not affected by date, it is not affected by time, it is timeless. And this does not mean that you cannot edit your page, but it just means that it is not affected by date, like post. Now let's talk about post. So what are post? Well, think of post as articles. They are like articles, and we use post option in WordPress to write article. Okay, and articles are very timely content, they are very dynamic. For example, when we are writing an article, we write an article about Android 10, we write an article about Android 11, we write an article about Android 12, we write an article about camera feature, we write an article about new features in Android. So these are timely content, these content are dependent on time, whereas pages are static content, they are not dependent on time, and that is the basic difference. Pages are static content, they are timeless, they are not affected by time, whereas posts are articles and they are affected by time. That is the basic difference. Alright, I guess that's it for this video. In this video I taught you how to create a page and also taught you the difference between post and pages, and this is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.